Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on PC wired. First, simply connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your personal computer using a standard micro USB cable. It's crucial to use a cable that supports data transfer, not just power, for proper functionality. Once connected, your computer should automatically detect the controller as a generic gamepad, allowing for basic plug-and-play use in many games. This initial step is straightforward and gets you ready for enhanced gaming. To unlock the full potential and customization of your controller, we recommend using DS4 Windows. Begin by downloading the application from its official website. After downloading, extract all the files into a new, dedicated folder on your computer. Then, launch the DS4 Windows executable. The program will guide you through installing any essential drivers, which typically takes just a few moments, ensuring your controller is fully recognized and optimized for your PC. With DS4 Windows running, you can now personalize your gaming experience. Open the application and head over to the Profiles tab. Here, you can create a brand new profile or modify an existing one to perfectly match your gaming style. You have the flexibility to remap any button, fine-tune the stick sensitivity for precise control, and even customize the light bar color. This level of customization ensures your controller feels just right for every game you play. After setting everything up, it's time to test your controller. Launch a game or visit an online gamepad tester to confirm all inputs are working correctly. If you encounter any issues, first inspect your micro USB cable for any signs of damage, or ensure it's securely connected at both ends. Also, double-check that DS4 Windows is actively running in the background and that your controller is clearly recognized within the application's interface. These steps resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.